So A value is 7x, B value is 5x. So if you just the cos 7x, cos of 5x will be half times of it is cos. A value is 7x, B value is 5x. 7x, B value 7 plus 5 will give you 12. So 12x. 7 minus 5 will give you 2x. So you are converted because I think you have to integrate it. So integration of cos 7x into cos 5x into dx will give us this value. It is integral of half times of it is cos of 12x plus cos of 2x times of dx. Over half you can take outside and apply the integral for each of the terms. Now if you just try to integrate it, so you have to use substitution method over here. So put the value of 12x to be equals to say t1, and in the second case 2x will be equals to t2. So if you try to differentiate this 12 into t is equal to dt1. So dx will be 1 by 12. Here 2 into dx will give dt2. So dx will be dt2 cross multiply, we'll be getting 2. So it is half times of cos t1 it is. Dx value is dt by 12. Yes, the next integral cos x2x is dx will be dt2 by half is outside, 1 by 2 is outside. You have integral of cos into dt1. Here 1 by 2 outside, integral of cos t2 to dt is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Cos integration will be sine of t2, sine of t2 plus the constant of integration c. But as we know that if you want, you can multiply 1 by 2 times 12 times of 2 will be 24. We'll be getting sine of t1. So what is t1 you have taken? T1 value that you have taken is 12x. And you multiply 2 times of 2 will give you 4. 1 by 4 sine of t2. So what is t2 value you have taken? T2 value you have taken it as 2x. So sine of 2x plus the constant of integration c. So that will be the required solution.